Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I took this wig from looking like this right here to what you're going to see next, which is this right here. If you want to see how you can revamp your wig, wash it and restyle it to look really fresh, please keep on watching this tutorial. This is what I started with right here. The first thing I'm going to do is to try and start detangling this wig because it was really frizzy, dry and matted up. I used my hairbrush to brush through the hair to just help completely detangle the hair, and the next thing which I'm going to do after I have completely detangled the hair is to wash it. So take your time and ensure that you completely brush through the hair from the ends all the way to the top. Then you can proceed to pour water on your hair and use your shampoo to shampoo the hair. I'm using the Tresemme Silky and Smooth shampoo in this tutorial. If you have other Tresemme shampoos or other products that you have, use any product you have available to wash your hair. Apply the product on your hair, massage it through, add more water if it's needed, and just use your hand to just massage through the hair and ensure that you really get the hair a very good wash so that all the dust, all the dirt that are trapped in the wig gets to come off. And you notice that the water coming out of the hair is a little bit brownish to orangey. Little bit of it is from the hair color, but it's and some colors coming out from it is also like the dirt, like the brown dusty color also. So I'm going to rinse it off and apply more of that shampoo again and go for my second wash. So I'm just massaging the product all over the hair and just trying to ensure that I really get to wash the hair as much as possible. If you are washing hair that is not human hair, please don't scrub it the way I'm scrubbing it. Be very gentle, because if it's not human hair you're washing, it's going to get matted up if you wash it the way I'm washing it. So be very gentle. Just use your hand to pat it if it's not human hair you're washing. So after I've finished washing it, I'm going to rinse it off now and then proceed to the next step, which is going to be conditioning this hair. And to condition the hair, I'm going to use this Tresemme Rich Moisture Conditioner. I'm going to apply a very generous amount all over the hair, from the tip all the way to the top of the hair. If you need to reapply more, please go back in and reapply more. Be generous to your product. Do not be stingy. You notice that I actually went back to get a little more of the product for the top of that wig. And after I've applied it generously all over, I'm going to go for my deep condition. I'm using this argan oil keratin treatment. It's the Magic Complex keratin treatment. So I'm going to apply a generous quantity of that deep conditioner all over the hair. And after I've applied it all over the hair, I'm going to put the hair in the microwave to heat it up. After I've applied some oils to moisturize the hair, because I noticed that the hair was really frizzy, I'm going to add my castor oil to help strengthen the strands of this hair. And I'm also going to add coconut oil because I want the hair to have a bit of a shine to it. Natural, not like greasy shiny, just to make the hair more healthy and just have a little bit of a shine to it. So apply that oil all over, massage it all through from the top all the way to the tip of the hair. I'm going to brush through the hair to ensure that the hair is completely detangled, and then I'm going to proceed to the next step, which is going to be heating up the hair in a microwave for about 2 minutes. And then after I've heated it up for 2 minutes, I'm going to rinse off the products from the hair. And when you pour, if you're using running tap water, just try as much as possible to keep rinsing the hair until the water coming out of the hair is clean, because you don't want to leave all of the products in the hair. The idea is just to get the hair to be clean, get the products to absorb the moisture, to be smooth and all of that. So after washing the hair, rinsing off the hair, I dried it, and this is what the hair looks like after it was washed. I noticed that the hair has a natural shine to it. It's not as dull as it looked like originally before I washed it. You can see it's sort of fluffy, it's full, it's really healthy. What I'm going to do next is to start styling this hair. And to style this hair, I'm going to start by applying this Moroccan argan growth oil all over the hair. I'm going to put a generous amount on my palm, massage it together, and then apply it all over this wig. So one thing I noticed recently is that my palm is beginning to get harder and harder. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be wearing hand gloves while I'm styling my wigs. That's the reason why I decided to apply the product all over the entire hair, because I don't want the situation whereby when I cut out the section, I have to reapply product again. I don't want to have to do that. I'm just going to apply the argan oil serum all over the hair. Then next, I'm going to section off the upper part of this hair and clip it away from one side over to the other side, because this side here was really full, so I couldn't clip everything together. So I did it on one side, and I'll go back to the other side and also clip it away. If you're watching this video so far and you're getting value out of it, please make sure you like this video and share with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And if you're not subscribing to my channel, sis, bro, please join the family. Click on the subscribe button right below and also turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss future videos from our YouTube channel. For the bottom part of this year, I went back into that argan oil serum to reapply more products down there because I felt like when you apply your serum from the up, when you apply product on the top part of the hair, it might not really get to the back part. That's the reason why I applied more on the back side. Then I'm using my heat protectant spray. I'm going to spray it in a very generous amount all over the back part of the hair and use my hand to just massage the product all over to ensure that it's well spread out. What I'm doing right now is wearing my gloves on my left hand because the right hand holds the styling tool while the left hand holds the hair. And when I straighten the hair, it's the hand on the left that is basically going to hold the hot hair. That's the reason why I'm wearing my hand gloves on my left hand. If you're somebody who is left-handed, you wear your gloves on your right hand and hold the styling tool on your left hand. So this is a new hair straightener that I'm using. One thing I noticed about this hair straightener is that it looks like it's the same. It's basically the same thing as the Cloud9 hair straightener, just that it has a different brand name from the Cloud9 hair straightener. The highest heat here is about 230 Celsius, while on Cloud9 the highest heat is also 230 Celsius. If you want me to do a review of this particular hair straightener that I'm using in this tutorial, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to film a review of this particular straightener. This is the Power Max hair straightener. It's a new brand that is basically in the market. I know Cloud9 has been really popularized, but this is an alternative. And this one right here is sort of cheaper than the Cloud9 hair straightener. So if you want to know about it and you live in Lagos, Nigeria or in Nigeria, let me know and I'll film a tutorial about the Power Max hair straightener. So what I'm doing now is just going in small sections to straighten the hair from the top of the hair down to the tip of the hair. And I try as much as possible to get the hair to be as sleek and straight as I possibly can get it to be. And when I'm using that straightener, I pull on the hair. I comb through it and I pull on the hair to ensure that I get the hair to be very, very straight. If you are watching this video and you haven't purchased my ebooks, how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality, please check the link in the description box on how you can purchase the ebooks from my website. Please support my endeavor by purchasing these ebooks. They're available on my website and the paperback copy is also available on Amazon for how to start your hair business ebook. I'm probably going to do a revised version for the hair extension and how to test its quality book so that I can put it on Amazon, so it wouldn't just be the ebook for that one that is available, because I need to increase the size of that book, add more contents to it, so I'm able to add it to Amazon, because it's something I'll probably work towards doing later on this year / next year. Yeah, so guys, you notice that while I straighten the hair, I sort of use the hair straightener to try and bob the hair downwards. So I keep on doing the styling of the hair until I get towards the top part of the hair. You need to be very patient when you're styling hair because it takes time. You could probably spend around 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes when you're styling hair, because styling hair takes time. If you're somebody who doesn't have the time, if you can outsource the process of your big revamp services, please do it. But if you have the time, you can devote like 2 hours of your day and get to styling your wigs and washing them and the rest of all of that. But if you don't have the time, you can send out your wigs for hair revamp service. I also offer wig revamp services for my clients all over the world. So if you have wigs that you want to revamp and you would like me to do them for you, just send me a message on Instagram. Each wig that I revamp is 10,000 naira. One wig is 10,000 naira. Then it depends on if you want me to probably restyle it, like cut it. If it has bald spots, I'm going to have to charge for ventilating the bald spots. If it also has, like, let's say you want me to fix a torn lace, I'm also going to charge for all of that. So yeah, that's it. Back to styling the hair. You notice that I'm almost done with styling this hair. I've gotten to the upper part of the hair, and when I get to the upper part, I try as much as possible to ensure that I'm still committed to the process of ensuring that the hair is really straight. And when I get towards the closure area, I just take a small section of hair and I keep on straightening the hair until I'm pleased with how straight the hair is. If you're getting value from this video, please make sure you like it and share with somebody who's also going to get value out of it. Are there tutorials you'd like to see on my channel? Please let me know in the comment section what videos you'd like to see next. And I'm working on tutorials on hair coloring and cutting hair and adding highlights, all that. I'm going to be working on that this month and next month and in subsequent months to come. But if there's anything you want to see on my channel, let me know and I'll be glad to work on those tutorials for you. Yeah. So right about now, I'm styling the hair around the closure area. I'm just taking my time to ensure that the hair is well straightened. And what I want to do now is to style the closure area. I'm going to apply that hair wax to the hair around the closure area. Then next, I'm going to spray my heat protectant spray up there. And then I'm using my hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. If you have your hot comb, please go ahead and use your hot comb. For this tutorial, I'm using this hot coiling wand. That's what I'm using to flatten the hair around the closure area. Just take your time and ensure that you get the hair to be as flat and as smooth as it possibly can be. Ensure you lay any flowery hairs down that are up there on the closure area. You can see how bouncy, fluffy and beautiful this hair looks. It looks very healthy. You notice that this hair doesn't look greasy. People always think that probably because I use castor oil and coconut oil when I'm revamping my wigs that to make the wig look greasy. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I do not take your support for granted. I really appreciate you. Please share this video with somebody else. And remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll most definitely see you in my next video. Bye, love.